welcome to Psychology Daily. We continue the week on environment, and today I'm not gonna tell you about nature or ecology, but about environment in a lecture class and how it is influencing on your learning experience. Let's start. This video is based on the study where they examined relationship between student city and location in a large lecture-style university course on students' engagement, attention, and course performance. In that study, participants reported sitting location, engagement, attention, and other experimental dimensions, like students' performance. For example, location answers were back, middle, or front of the room. The location matters. People were more engaged and were paying more attention when sitting in the front of the room compared to middle and back of the room. Moreover, students in the front rows had higher self-esteem and less distraction than other two locations. Those who sit in the back of the room also had lower grades. However, factors like engagement and attention mediated the influence of sitting location on the course grades. Those results show that environment, or to be more precise, place where you sit in a lecture hall, can influence on key features of your learning experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you tomorrow.